So, ignoring the mess, let's take a look at my fire alarm system. First, let's turn the light on. And let's perform a test. So, this cycles through all the zones. Let's test zone 1. Put it in test. And then light indicates that it works. And now and here's emergency lighting. So you can see your fire alarm panel in an emergency. It's also supposed to have a backup battery, but I don't have any backup batteries installed because they were dead. Let's get some more simulated fire.